Today we are going to draw an intricate snowflake. Intricate means it has a lot of details, a lot of fine points, and different shapes and patterns. So it's basically a circular shape, right? And we made a mandala that was a circle. So we kind of start the same way. I'm just making a big, and I want you to make as big as you can. Sketch a circle and draw a vertical line. It's a little crooked. Rushing. That's why we sketch lightly. Okay, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, then look and see, where do you think the middle is? I just made a dot. Make a dot where you believe the middle is. Now, since that's the middle, you're going to make an X through the middle. And that's how it looks, kind of like a pie. Okay. And then make a smaller circle. A lot of us did our mandalas this way. Now remember, you're not really supposed to be following me. I'm going a little quickly. You're going to look at the slides later. So that's going to help us with our design. Now, if you connect the lines with straight lines, it makes kind of like a hexagon, doesn't it? Keep it light. Keep it light. Now, above each line, each of these lines, just make another line going around in a circle. So if the line is vertical, you put a horizontal, you see. So it's kind of like bum, 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 like a wheel. And then a dot above each one. Now remember, this is only one way to do it, but it is complicated, so I'm just going over it with you. So now what do we do with these marks? Well, what we will do is connect them to make more detailed shapes. And that's why we have the straight lines that went through the center. The reason being, it helps us line everything up, doesn't it? Notice I keep turning so that the guideline is vertical, and it keeps me pointing up in the right direction, okay? This is just the beginning. And now you're going to make what we can call arms. Start on the tip. Looks kind of like a pencil point. And then make some more. And when you get to the end, copy it at the same point. So we started where? At the pencil tip, didn't we? Okay, and then go up about how far you went last time. So at this time, you could make another guideline circle, or you can just do your best to follow and keep going around and around and around. And then more detail. This is a detail project, isn't it? So especially near the top, you can make two more coming out. So if I did it here and here, what do I have to do? The same thing here and here until I go all the way around on all of them, right? Again, I'm just going really quickly. Now, how do you make it look like a snowflake? If you possibly could get a skinny black marker or a very skinny black colored pencil, which I'm always losing, so I'll use this. I'll use the Sharpie. You're going to make them thicker. You're going to outline them. So, this is way too thick. I'm so sorry. I'm going to use my old favorite, a black pen. Regular black pen, which could probably be best for you too. Okay, let's see. Trial and error. So once I did that, now I'm going to repeat it on the inside. Okay. So that one got kind of ruined. Repeat it on the inside. So they're going to be 3D, three-dimensional. And same in here, which I did not show you. You're going to make little, it's like windows. But again, you can be creative, okay? You can do yours differently. But this is how they start looking like crystals, you see, when you erase the pencil marks later. Let's just try, do our best. This is a little bit tough, and we're just gonna do the best we can, as I said.